Michelle. Michelle, get your fat ass the fuck in here now.
I'm getting the bird bag. I'm trying to get the bird bag.
Bitch. Get a fucking sheet and throw over that motherfucker.
I'm getting the bird bag.
Stay under the covers, Pop. Stay under the covers. Oh, my God. Michelle, don't come over here, because Pop, stay under the covers. 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 Stay under, oh, my God. Turn it off, Michelle. Pop, stay under the covers. Under the covers. Under the covers. Get under the covers. Get under the covers. Under the covers now. Stay under the covers. It's the bird. The bird is out. Stay under the covers. The bird is over there. You sweating? The bird is over there. Michelle, get the motherfucker. He dancing on my... Get the motherfucker.
I'm trying to get the motherfucker.
Wait. Oh, my God. Hold him. Hold him. Hold him. Hold him. Because I told you your dumb ass was fucking scared of him.
No, I'm not.
I told you your dumb ass was fucking scared. Yo, hey. Yo.
He ran past my arm.
Because you was too fucking scared to grab him.
Turn the light back on. I got him.
Oh, my God. Yo, the bird chilling on Pop is, bitch... I was too scared to get my full laughter out, bitch. But after she get this motherfucker back in the cage, bitch, I'm gonna be able to laugh. Michelle, you're not getting no more birds, bro.
I have him.
You're not getting no more birds.
He's in here. I have him. I have him. I have him.
You're not getting no more motherfucking birds, bitch. Michelle, stop! That mommy good boy. That mommy favorite good boy. Somebody sent me a photo. That mommy favorite good boy. That mommy very good boy. Yeah. Michelle. Until you're not scared of that motherfucker no more. Where the fuck is he at?
Yeah.
I thought you said you had him.
I did.
So where's he at?
He's coming out now.
Where?
But she's in there.
Where?
You don't see his feathers sticking out?
Where?
You don't see his feathers?
Oh. Get your motherfucking... Closing this fat bitch hand up in here. He ain't getting back gonna get my motherfucking something. Now, why would you do that? Why would you do that? We're rocking back and forth, man. No, you fat bitch. You fat, scary bitch.
No.
You fat wannabe. Michelle, listen. Michelle, listen. Hold on for a second. Can you stop trying to be this black bitch with the bird? You're not witty, Michelle. Food management. Come on, Prince, you come wake this up. Stop trying to be that witty girl with the black bitch with the bird. And you're scared, Michelle. Just admit to us and allow that you're scared. Stop trying to be a witty girl with a bird. Oh, my God. That mommy boy. That mommy favorite boy. Look at my favorite boy. Look at my favorite boy. That mommy favorite boy. That's a mommy favorite boy. Yeah, that mommy favorite boy. Is it time for him to eat again? You hungry? Go get my baby food, Michelle. He gonna put on that blanket. Well, that's his blanket. Oh, yeah.